Have you ever been haunted by those annoying hiccups which won't stop no matter what you do? Hiccups are actually involuntary contractions of the diaphragm muscle. When the diaphragm contracts suddenly, it causes the vocal cords to close, which produces the familiar hic sound. Some common causes of hiccups are eating too quickly, feeling nervous, drinking alcohol, stress, or maybe a sudden change in temperature. Although hiccups are usually harmless and go away on their own, these are some methods which you can try to stop them, which are like holding your breath, drinking a glass of water, or hanging upside down. To know more interesting facts like this, make sure to like and subscribe.